Working in Canary Wharf was amazing. It was amazing. You know, there's no other way of describing it. It was exciting, exhilarating. I felt like I'd made it. Obviously, my first day in the office, second day, third day, first week, I realized I hadn't made it and I was definitely right at the bottom. So I worked at Barclays Capital from around 2003 or 4 up until 2009. So about 6 years in total. It's very, very hard work. It's a lot of pressure. You have very high profile clients and you know, you can't press the wrong button. If you do, thousands, tens of thousands, if not more, by pressing the wrong button. 7, 8, 9 hours would pass in a flash because you're busy. You've got 6 screens, you've got, you know, 3, 4, 5 people asking you things simultaneously. The day goes very, very fast. I distinctly remember my managing director saying to me once, you know, you need to take your foot off the gas because I was always the first person in and the last person out. Very, very fortunate. I always was at the best part of the bank. I was in front office, I worked with central banks, I worked with hedge funds, I worked with many, many different clients, real money clients, and working on things like strategy, helping them build their portfolios, things like trading, the execution side of things. And really it was when I was in that area that I realized that I wanted to leave. Because the type of trading that you do in an investment bank, especially when you're a junior, is not what people think it is. It's not the risk-taking, the exciting stuff you think, because obviously you've been probably influenced by what you see on TV. Actually, it's a lot of execution type work. I didn't feel I was being given the responsibility to do that. I always got told, look, stick at this, what you're doing, you need to do this. You need to do the boring stuff. And eventually you'll get there. But I just felt like after, you know, few years of doing this type of work that maybe I had to move to really be able to start risk-taking myself. And if you don't take risks yourself, you're gonna be working for someone who takes risks themselves. So, you know, I'm glad I did it. It's incredibly rewarding. Now, when I started, it almost happened by accident, and I think that's the best way to kind of start doing something is it almost happens by accident. It just happens naturally. You know, I'd never been on social media for a long period of time, many years, and I started kind of showing people because I saw people were learning from guys who were kind of had learned from their bedrooms, and I was like, hang on. This isn't right. You know, people learning from essentially what I like to think of as marketers, people who have this inclination to show people that I'm validated because I drive a Lamborghini or because I have an expensive car or house or clothes or whatever it is. And when I saw that, I realized, do you know what? This is nothing like what my experience of professional trading is. People around me, they don't care about all those things. So I felt that I wanted to show people what the realities of trading were like. Honestly, I thought no one would be interested in what I had to say because I wasn't showing people Lambos or Lamborghinis or Ferraris or, you know, wealth. Because to me, success is not about showing wealth, it's about skill. I decided I needed to really kind of show them the full picture. And again, anyone who's done my Pro and Foundation course will realize that it's 60 hours. You know, you can't show people 60 hours of stuff just through a few YouTube videos and just talking to them. You have to develop a course. And you know what? I'm really glad I've done it because as anyone can see, feedback's great. It's helped a lot of people. And yeah, I feel very motivated to continue doing it as long as people find value in it. And it seems like people do. So until that changes, something that I'm very, very passionate about continuing.